In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Hello everyone, welcome back to my math channel. Let us start question number 10 from Pearson Edexcel A-Level Exam for Pure Math 2. Paper reference code is WMA 12/01. This exam is taken in May-June session year 2024. Let me read the statement. The number of dormice and the number of voles on an island are being monitored. Initially, there are 2000 dormice on the island. A model predicts that the number of dormice will increase by 3% each year, so that the number of dormice on the island at the end of each year form a geometric sequence. First part, find according to the model the number of dormice on the island 6 years after monitoring began. Give your answer to 3 single figures. You know the geometric sequence is like that: AR, then AR square, and then AR cube, and then AR4, then AR5, then AR6. It continues like this. Got it? This is the geometric sequence. You are multiplying by R to get the next term. Here is the common ratio. Here R is because every year it is increased by 3%, so you could find R by adding 3% to 1. If there is decrease, you will subtract that percentage from 1 to get R. So it will be 3 over 100. You can add like that, 1 over 3 over 100, 1 plus 3 over 100. It gives you the answer 1.03. And we found R. R is 1.03. Got it? And this is the initial value, the first value, the first term. We need to find the number of dormice on the island 6 years after this 6 years. Got it? So 6 years you can count from here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th term. So you need to find 7th term actually. You need to find the 7th term to find the number of dormice in that year. Got it? So let me write this given data here in the first part. First value equals to 2000 and R is given there, that is 1.03, and we need to find 7th value, A7th. Because there is a formula for finding the nth term of geometric sequence, that is called AN AR to the power n minus 1. You should memorize this formula as well. This is for a geometric sequence. For geometric sequence. By using that formula, we can write here A7th value will be equals to AR to the power, because here is n minus 1, so this will be 6 for sure. As I already explained to you there, 7th term is AR to the power 6. Substitute the values: 2000 multiply 1.03 power 6. Use calculator to get the answer to 3 single figures. This is giving you 2388, but we want to round our answer to 3 single figures, so it will be 2390. Actually in your calculator it is showing this result 88.1, something like that. 3 single figures are up to this. Okay, look at the next number, that is more than 5, so you will round it up, so it becomes 9 and the rest of the numbers will be 0. So this is the answer, number of dormice in the 7th year after 6 years. First part is done. For the next part, the number of voles on the island is being monitored over the same period of time. Given that 4 years after monitoring began, there were 3,690 voles on the island. 7 years after monitoring began, there were 3,470 voles on the island. The number of voles on the island at the end of the year is modeled as a geometric sequence. Second part, find the equation of this model in the form n equals to AB to the power t, where n is the number of voles t years after. You know here when t equals to 4, this is the number. When t equals to 7, this 7, number of voles are 3,470. Then we will get two equations and then we solve these two equations simultaneously. Plug in these values in this equation, we will get the result. N is given here in the question that a b to the power t. T is the number of years after. When t equals to 4, number of voles are, it is given in the question, they are 3690. Now plug in these two values over there. 3690 equals to ab to the power 4. When t equals to 7, number of voles are, this is also given in the question, they are 3470. Plug in these values in the equation, we get the result 3470 equals to a b to the power 7. We have now two equations. We will solve them simultaneously. Equation number 1 and 2. If you divide by 2 by 1, we will get rid of a. Equation 2 divide by equation 1. 3470 will divide by 3690, and here you will get on the right side a b to the power 7 divided by a b to the power 4. This a is cancelled out. Now you have same basis, so powers are subtracted. 7 minus 4 is 3. b cube is equals to, write as is here in the calculator, b cube is equals to 3470 divided by 3690. If there is a square, we take square root of both sides. If there is cube, we take the cube root of both sides. We will take the cube root of both sides, and in calculator write as is in your calculator. You get the result to two significant figures as, actually you will get 0.9797, but you are rounding to the two decimal places, so you can write as 0.98, two significant figures. This is B. To two significant figures. Use this value of B. You can use the other value 0.9797 exact value to get the answer for A. Plug in one of the equations. Therefore, A is equals to, you can get the value of A like this, 3690, and B to the power 4 will be divided to the other side. You know it is multiplying here, so it will divide to the other side. So you can write as 0.9797. I'm not writing all the values, just only writing this one. And you get the result as, to two significant figures, it will be, the power is 4, sorry I forget to put the power because it is b to the power 4 here, so you will divide by b to the power 4. Answer is 4005, but you need to round to two significant figures, so we will write as 4000. Okay, value of A is 4000 and value of B is 0.98. Now plug in these two values in the given equation, that is equals to n equals to a b to the power t. So it will be A is 4000 multiply B is 0.98 power t. So this is the answer for the second part. B part is done. For the last part, when t equals to capital T, the number of dormice on the island is equal to the number of voles on the island. Find according to the models the value of t, giving your answer to one decimal place. You need to find the number of dormice after t years. For last part, number of dormice after t years, let me use this one here, number of dormice by representing by nd will be equals to ar to the power t, because t years after, and number of voles after t years will be equals to a b to the power t. We already got a and b values there, you can use those values over here. So number of voles after t years will be 4000 and b is 0.98 power t, and here we already got the values of r and a. A was 2000 and r is 1.03 power t. After t years, you know, it is given in the question that when t equals to capital T, number of dormice is equals to number of voles. Just use these values over here, so you get the result. 2000 into 1.03 power T, and on the right side plug in the value for this one. You get here 4000 and 0.98 power T. This will be cancelled with this one. For sure you will get answer here 2. You can bring this value to the other side. This value will divide to the other side. It will be 1.03 power T, because this value is multiplying by 2, so this value will divide to the other side. It will be 0.98 power T. Power T equals to 2. You can make the whole of this power as 1.03 over 0.98 power T is equals to 2. If you want to get the value of T, you have to apply log of both sides. Apply log of both sides. It will be log 1.03 over 0.98 power T will be equals to log 2. According to the law of logarithm, we will bring this value here. This power becomes the multiple. So it will be T log 1.03 divided by 0.98 equals to log 2. Because this one is multiplying here, so it will divide to the other side. T is equals to log 2 divided by log 1.03 divided by 0.98. Use calculator to get the answer for this. Answer to one decimal place will be 13.9. So this is the answer for the last part, and question number 10 is done. Hopefully you understand this one. If you have any question, please write in the comment box. Thank you.